In this video, I will give you some toppings ideas. I will make quickly. My pizza is gonna be a purple pizza. I'll make it quickly and then I will explain you how I made it purple. And it was not because I used the same color on my hair. Okay, now the funny things. Here is my purple stuff. I will first finish my pizza and then I will explain you what this is. I guess this is pretty easy to spot because it's some simple sausage, and there are here something more, and I'm going to tell you what this is, what these are actually. In the end, this pizza will be strangely colored and strong tasting. And here I am, I'm gonna tell you what I put on top of my pizza. Probably you noticed there was some simple sausage. I needed to cook it beforehand. Not fully cooked because I will finish inside the oven so it stays nice and juicy. And then, oh sorry, it's not very polite. Then you were probably wondering what was the purple base. This slimy thing. It doesn't even look purple, it looks like gray in the screen. This is some red / purple cabbage puree. I made it early on today. You need to braise it slowly with just some salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil, and then in the end you bliss them with a blender. You get this tasty puree, which is kind of sour. And this is why I put cranberries. You see, despite I'm Italian, I still can put fruit on pizza as long as it's not pineapple. Why did I put these cranberries? Because they are kind of sweet, so they will contrast quite nicely my purple cabbage, and because they give me that hint of that acidic touch, so they can wash away the extra greasy touch of my sausage here. Now I want to show you a quick trick. You can add to your cabbage, to my cabbage in this case, this is lemon or any acidic thing. Can you see the different shade? It becomes pinky reddish, and I didn't want to put it on my pizza because I already have my acidic thing, which are the cranberries. But if you feel like doing some chemistry or whatever, just add anything acidic to your purple cabbage and it will become like pink and reddish. Let me check my pizza. And here I am. This is my beautiful purple pizza. It's crazy. I want to show you. I fly over my pizza. What do you think? Hope you like it. Leave me a comment down here, and I'll see you in next inspiration video.
Bye.